While pandemic, are you have an activity to relieve stress? Maybe some people have interest to collect some stuff or some plants that can express and run out of the stress. I have one stuff that can provide oxygen. That is a plants. Plants are the most valuable thing for in the environment, which can provide so many benefits for our lives, such as it can produce foods, vegetable, and fruit. And the important thing is O2, that is oxygen. There are so many kind of plants, and recently most people have interesting to collect them and just only to entertain and relieve their stress during the pandemic. Can you imagine if there is any place that have no plants, and certainly there is no human activity or there is no sign of life, and that's very heredity. Pollutions, there is so much in the air that can provide by traffic car or the factory that contain of chemical. I think it is so harmful for our health and respiratory system. Since junior high school, I was learn about any kind of plants, and I have 5 steps to take care of plants at home, which can make our environment comfortable and cool at home. The first step is give the plant water regularly but in small amount to keep the soil moist, and keep a try to collect excess water below to avoid overing water. Second, make sure your plants have an accurate air supplies, especially if they are placed indoor. Not only need fresh air to grow, but they also help reduce the disease. Third, according to your plant, fertilize every 1 or 2 months, since many indoor plants are different, and make sure you have information about what kind of plants. Fourth, keep an eye out for a bug. If you notice if you notice Fourth, keep an eye out for a bug. If you notice any bugs on your plants, remove them, and remove any dead leaves to prevent disease. And 5, according to the growth rate of the plant, potting the plants every 1 or 2 years, and will help your plants grow up. Since the pandemic appeared, I have a lot of plants at home. Every plant has this. Since the pandemic appeared, I have a lot of plants at home. Every plant have advantages and disadvantages, but it's depend on our perspective to treat the plant, and we must discipline to create a green environment at home. Thank you.